Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to bring you some foreign exchange charts to look at now. I'd usually look at the day-to-day movements of the markets. However, this time I will concentrate on the longer term view, looking usually at monthly charts and at the most weekly charts. And the first one I'd like to look at is the euro against the dollar. We'd come into 2019 with some baggage, an annual bearish dark cloud cover pattern in 2018 and closes below the 2017-2018 50% Fibonacci level at 114.47. February didn't help as we had a bearish bow tie formation, though admittedly in the wrong order. Nevertheless, on that basis, we should look out for a possible bearish kick-in between May to October 2020. We'd meanwhile continue pushing down all this year, and we're below the significant key 50% Fibonacci level of the 1985 to 2008 move at 112.45. Then back in October, we had an interesting move, a monthly key reversal up, which we've tried to follow through higher, but with resistance at 111.86, 112.08, and of course 112.45 as previously mentioned. Should we break that 112.45 level, then we've little until that more recent 50% Fibonacci line at 114.47. Meanwhile below, with congestion support in the 109.90 and 108.60 areas, and then nothing till about 105 even. The next chart I'd like to look at is cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. In the great scheme of things, oddly not a lot. We are still in between the middle time, currently 104.91, and the upper time, currently 139.77, of the huge 2007-2014 bearish shift pitch hook, as we have been since early 2017. We're just a little more towards the upper time than when I last looked at it last year, and we're actually in danger of making an annual indecisive spinning top. More recently, we had a monthly key reversal up in September, which launched the latest attempt higher. However, right now, this rally looks to have petered out unless we manage to close the year over the 50% Fibonacci line at 131.56 and 132.33. Both of those are 50% Fibonacci lines. Top side, apart from the upper time, with a new resistance in the form of the 5-year moving average, currently 135.58. Meanwhile, below, we have the same stall at the May 1985 low at 118.69 as significant support. The final chart I'd like to look at is the euro against sterling. A lot going on here within the narrow October to December 2016 range. We started the year with a key reversal down, which followed through lower, but got caught in the key 38.2% Fibonacci line of the 2006-2008 move at 85.52 and reverted back up. Then between July to September, we made a nice bearish evening star pattern that has been the cause of the decline ever since, with a new second half of the decade low and closing below the key 85.52 level. We're now on the verge of two possible patterns. Firstly, we have the choice of looking at the whole of 2015 to date action as a huge bullish halfway hesitation or a huge complex double top. Secondly, we are on the verge of an annual key reversal down, closing the year below 88.20 and we'd be on. Below, where the seemingly useful support of the 5-year moving average, which is currently 83.62, and the important 50% Fibonacci line of the 2006-2008 move at 81.66. That about wraps it up. So in the meantime, Merry Christmas and good trading.